This time I'm going to cook Beni-Zuwai-Gani crab, red snow crab. At the end of this YouTube video, my failure and a comparison table between red snow crab and the snow crab, so please enjoy to the end.
Oh, it's exciting.
Red snow crab is a kind of cheap crab in Japan, but if you try it, you will find that it is delicious. By the way, do you know when red snow crab was first eaten in Japan? Surprisingly, only recently. In the past, red snow crab were unknown, perhaps because they live in deep sea. It was an American scientist who first found it. Wow! The first finding was recorded in 1932. In 1906, the first fishery research vessel, Albatross, explored the Sea of Japan. Jane Rathbun, an American marine zoologist aboard the ship, found a crab now known as a red snow crab at a depth of 960 meters off the Sado Island in the Sea of Japan. The fishery is a cargo carny fishery in which baskets are placed on seabed. The basket is filled with fish food, which crab eat. The reason for the low price is that crab are caught in large quantities. Recently, however, the catch has been decreasing. Crab fishing is a licensed fishery, and there are many attempts to protect the red snow crab resource, such as creating holes like this in the net of the trap cages to allow small crabs to escape, banning the harvest of female crabs, and agreements with other countries. Now we know the history. Let's move on the kitchen. I found super cheap crabs in the supermarket. The surface of the crab is covered with bacteria such as Vibrio parahemolyticus, so it is washed well. Food poisoning of the bacteria has been dramatically reduced in Japan by consistently maintaining low temperatures from catch in the sea to consumption at the table. Boil the crab in salted water. The salted content is 3 to 4%. In this case, 66 grams of salt were added to 2 liters of water. Red snow crabs are red even before they are cooked. As you can clearly see when you look at the ventral side like this. Boil the crab with the shell side down so that the crab ingredient in the shell does not come out. Boil crab in salted water for 15 to 20 minutes. When done, chill the crab quickly in ice water to form the crab meat. The crab is ready to cook. First, remove the shell. Next, remove the gills. This is a crab's breathing organ, so it is not eatable because it is full of dirt and bacteria from the outside. Use a deba knife to cut the crab in half. Remove the legs first. Cut the base of the legs in half to make the meat easier to eat. To make it easier to eat, shave the shell off the crab leg. Unlike Matsubagani snow crab, the meat of the red snow crab becomes thinner when boiled. This shaving process cuts the crab legs as it is, so it looks nice. Arrange the crab on a plate to complete the dish. It is delicious to eat the crab because of the salty flavor. Wow! Getting the meat out of the crab is so much work, but it is interesting if you try it. One more dish is kanijiru crab soup, fried crab shells. Add 100 ml of water and sake to the fried shells. Boil 20 minutes and filtrate. Cut the vegetables, green onion, carrot, and daikon radish. Put carrot and daikon radish into the crab soup. Boil 20 minutes and remove the scum from the soup. Add miso into the soup. Add green onion. Kanijiru miso soup is ready. I forgot I was heating up the miso soup and end up ruining the soup and the pot. Oh no! Red snow crab is an affordable and very tasty food, although it requires some work. Please give it a try. If you like, please subscribe this YouTube. Thank you very much for watching.